Start.
Hi, this is Abhishek from Technics Media. Today we are here at the HTC Sensation launch. HTC has just launched HTC Sensation, the new smartphone, which runs Android 2.3.3. This is a very close competitor to Samsung Galaxy S2. It has been just launched here in India. It will be costing like the MRP of this phone is like 32,700, but you can get it as a lower rate from any dealer near a place. So today we are going to do a quick hands-on review of this device. Let's take a look over the device and its features. So this device has the great smart HTC Sense UI, which actually is very powerful, and this device is a very powerful processor as well from Snapdragon, which has a GPU inside as well, which makes the phone as fast as you can think of. So you can switch in between the screens very easily and in a very fast way. You just need to slide your finger like this, and then you can switch in between the screens. Another feature of this is like you can choose in between the different lock screen over this device. So this device has a large number of lock screens inbuilt, which are there in the phone. So if you choose a lock screen which is like this, the weather. Okay.
Yes.
Now we should select apply. The weather screen has applied now. So as you can see the real effective weather, which is actually on your lock screen, as well as you can choose a lock screen in which you can see all the photos which you have captured, all the photos which are in your phone gallery, and all the notifications as well, which will keep appearing on the lock screen. So this is something which is very good. Let's take a look over the camera of this device. Okay, here we are at the camera. Okay, so this device has a very powerful 8 megapixel camera with dual LED flash, and when you take a picture of any object, it will first of all focus that object and then it will take the picture. So it has just taken the picture, and once you are done, it will show you the preview of that picture on the left side of the screen. However, this thing is quite annoying, as it covers the area in which you are going to focus the picture, the next picture. It should be here. Normally it is here in all the other Android phones, but it is at a different position on this phone. Apart from this phone feels pretty solid. Very nice rubber kind of finish over here, so that it won't slip out of your hands when you hold it, and it is a very solid. This cover is actually entire metal kind of, so it is pretty solid. Even if it falls on the ground, nothing will happen to the phone, because this cover is actually very solid and metallic based. So let me just open this cover for you so that you can see what all in there. You need to press this button, and then you need to pull this cover. Just a second. Okay, here we have opened the back. Okay, this is the micro SD card slot. It supports a micro SD card up to 32 GB. Here is the SIM card slot, the normal SIM card slot, as well as here you see the camera with the dual LED flash, and here you have the cover. When you open the back of this phone, it actually feels like you have voided the warranty, because it feels like you have opened the entire phone and you can see all the hardware in this. So looks different. However, I would not suggest you to open this phone as frequently, because the phone hardware might get damaged due to some reason if you are not holding it properly. Okay, let me put this back. Okay, let's take a look over the overall ports on this phone. Here is the power and sleep key. Here you have the 3.5mm audio jack. Here you have the up and down volume controls. Here you have on the side you have this micro USB port for data syncing and connectivity to your computer. Here you have this button with which you can open the back cover, and there's nothing on the right side of the phone. And here you have the camera with dual LED flash. You have the speakers over here. We are not actually sure about why these holes are here. They might be for the second mic for noise cancellation. One of the mic holes is there. Okay.
For this.
Okay. So these are the holes for the noise cancellation, the second mic. So that's all from us. The device is good. It feels pretty solid. And if you compare it with the closest competitor in the market, with Samsung Galaxy S2, we have the Samsung Galaxy S2 as well. So if you compare both of these phones together, this one is quite thicker.
It's ARC display.
Yeah, it is ARC display. And another good thing about this phone is, like, you have the screen which is actually a kind of a concave kind of a screen. So the cover is actually protecting the screen. Even if you hold the phone like this on a table, the screen won't touch the surface of the table. So you will not have any scratches on the screen because it doesn't touch the surface of the table. So you have this cover, the boundary, or the cover actually has this boundary which protects the screen, and the screen is kind of concave like this, so it doesn't come in touch with the surface if you hold it on a table. And if you compare it with the closest competitor, which is Samsung Galaxy S2, this phone is however more thick, but it feels solid in hands. This one is more kind of plastic kind of quality, but this one has a very good build quality, I must say, as HTC always puts a very good have very good build quality in almost all of their phones.